So it's 10 again. In this tutorial I will show you guys how to deal with controllers in Spring Framework. Okay, in this tutorial I will show you how to create 3 page. One is store page, one is browse page, and another one is detail page. In the store page it will show general information about the store. Browse will show the list of albums we have, and details will show the details of the album we select. However, that is for the future's job. Right now we just use the controller to map them into the system. It just says like this, say it will show that we success to map the page into the system. Yeah, hello from store details. Take a look at the tutorials. Right here they create the controllers, store controllers. Right, in the store controller they have 3 controllers. This one for the index page, this one for a browse page, and the third one is for detail page. I will show you how to create them. First thing we have to do is create 3 JP files. The first page is the index. Index. This one is this index is different from this index. This index is for the whole project. When we log in, we will see this one. This index is store index. The other one is details. The other one is browse, and the last one is details. Right? How we create a JSP file? Right click on JSP folders, new. We have JSP files over here. If we don't see it, we can go to the order, web, JSP file, next, and we put the name here, and we have to consider over here. This is the path where we save our JP file. You can see this over here. If we click on here, this will change. It means the JSP file will be created under the web information folders. I don't want it. I will inside the JP. So let's say next. It's right here, and this is default. So I don't want it. I delete it. So the same process. We create 3 JSP files: browse, details, and index. Take a look at the index first. When we create, I don't want, because right now we just need something simple to understand how they work first, and after that we plug more complicated stuff inside. Right now we just put here. I changed the title. Is store homepage. Is not store. Yeah, the store homepage. No store. this store page is okay. Alright, so we used header type 2 to write a text hello from store index. Same thing, browse store, browse for the title, and in the body put headers hello from store, browse. Third is details. Same process, simple. Alright, and go back here. Do you remember I show you how to create a package? Because we working with controllers, so we have to go to in controllers over here, new, because the controllers, let's say controllers, entities, and models, all of them are Java file. So we new class, because we want go back to tutorial. This is store controller, right? So yeah, I create the controllers. Store controller. No. Alright. See, if I put something more this business, we will show I can create it, but when I delete the S, I cannot do. Good. I think you guys know that why is happened, right? Put S in here because store controllers, I create that controllers already right here. This is new one I just create is blank, right? Right here I create before already. Maybe like this. Alright, this is where is the empty controllers is generated for us, so we have to put more information here to make it work. Right. Come back to the real controllers. After I create the controllers, put annotation over here to let the system know this is controller. If we say okay, this is controller, who knows, right? The system want to know which one is controller, so we have to use annotation over here, set this one is controller, and request mapping over here to /store. So do you remember when we log in over here, right? So when we run the application from the last tutorial, it will show this one is the home page, right? But they want us, when we put the path store over here, it will show the home page. It's not the home page, the index page of the store. And after the second level of the store, the next level of the store is browse, and the next the other one is details. Alright, so we have to put the request mapping over here as store to let we know that the next level is store. Alright, want this one. We have to forget this. It's like a normal, really normal method, just defined, and return is a string. Return type is a string. The name of method parameter, easy, and return a string, right? A string here, you see the string over here is the name of the JSP file store index right here. As I told you before, the system will put the prefix, let's Spring Server prefix, go to the web info folders, JSP folders here, JSP folders, and get the store index file. The suffix is JSP, see right here. Alright, that's it, but not enough. We have to let the controllers talk with the viewer. So we have to request mapping. We would the same with request mapping over here, and the slash over here will show the root of the store. Alright, root store, and the method is get. Get is mean show the information. That's it. Alright, simple, right? Those here I will show you later. It's really simple. It means we're good to go when we put the URL in. We should see the store index. Where is it? We should see this one message, hello from store index. Alright, hopefully go back here, run as Maven build, JD run, go. Alright, click here, hello from the home page. Look at this, and I have to warning you one thing. In web XML, right, we put the pattern is spring start, and start over here is mean in the address we have to put spring and then something after that. It's mean like this after we log in, right? If we put see our controllers say slash store, and the root will see the store index file. We put store root file, cannot see anything. 404 not found. You know why? Because inside the web XML file, we say between those we should put the spring. So we put spring. After this, we should spring and slash. Here we go. Hey. What's that? Excuse me. See, because of cache. Alright, what we have here is hello from store index. Easy, huh? Easy, huh? So exciting. How about you? I'm so exciting. So exciting. Alright. We have to do more, right? Because it's just the first level. So go back to here. We have two more to go. Browse and index. Alright, for browse, we will do the same process with me. Just copy and put here. You see, I prepare first already. See, what different? Just this one, browse, because this one slash over here say the root of store. This one show of the browse here is the child level of store. See, and the return is the browse JSP file. Alright, okay, how can we do this? I just select all of them, control / alright, you see it comment everything. If you want to uncomment it, control / and done. Alright, self. You see, it's easy. It's easy. Run is, see over here, restarting it, rebuilding our project. See, right here we have store already, right? Index, and we just put the browse. See, hello from store browse. Same. If we want to details here, right? I'll copy over here for to easy to follow. Nothing special. Just change browse details. Still request. Return JSP file details JSP. And instead of browse, we put tail. So hello from store details, right? Happy? Whoa, really happy. How about that? I solved the problems, right? And next step inside the tutorials, they will show us the message is different, but we create already this one. If we put the browse, we don't know the genre. What genre the customer are watching or browsing. So we have they did some their stuff, but in Spring we can do it the same. Okay, see, in the URL we have this, right, until this browse, but we don't have a genre equal to disco. This means, and it will show the genre is disco, you know, for to let the customer that know that what type of genre they are browsing. Okay, I will show you how to do this. Uncomment this. Alright. Same stuff. browse. See, browse here. We can copy everything from here. Browse. Alright. The thing is different is request parameters right here. We have to put request parameters whether it generally requires false. It means we have it or not. It's okay. If we require true, it means we always need the generate variable. But right now we don't need it all the time, so we put it false. The generate here is the type of generate is string. Alright, we still have this, and put one more here. We have to add attribute model dot add attribute, and the generate here, you see in double quotes, that is, it should have the same name with the values over here. The string here, the string generate variable here could be different. We don't care, because the first parameters over here, the attribute, the generate, it should have the same name with this, and the generate over here should be the same name with this. Or I will show you name. If we change this, we have to put generate. They should be the same. Alright, the arrow is over here. Move the mouse over and import. It will import for you. It's gone. Self, and let the system build, or you can build. Alright, go back here. See, we're talking about the browse. Ooh. Something wrong. Let me see. Project clean. MVC store clean. We have to do. By the way, we have to do it all the time. If the system builds something wrong, we have to check it. Run as Maven clean. We have to clean on the track and caching everything, because it's still there. So run as Maven build and go. Oh, it's crashed. We have to run again. Change the structure, so it's messed up. So we have to start over. That takes a long time. Go. Okay. Back to still loading. student workspace. Say update indexes. Oh, run as go. Hopefully it's okay. Reload. Oh, go. Let's see what happened now. Seal here, request fail. Controller guest store photo map or something. Yeah, if you intend to handle the same path multiple website handle not the same level. Okay. Is mean you have to do something. Browse over here. Say what do you put here? Let me say control. Can we let's see. I apologize for this because before it run for me, but somehow can we copy and browse here. Putting family here. Alright, let's see. Browse store. Reload. In store. Does it work? How about browse? Oh, you have a model map over here. Problems. Hello class. Type map at the level. Browse. Okay. Only eco raw. It's weird. It's really weird. I'll come back later. Hello. Alright. I apologize for the pause. I figured out what happened is I put two methods same name. So if we change something, I have to uncomment the previous version of the browse right here. Alright, so it means we can change the genre name. Oh, okay. Genre name. Okay, and name here. So as we say, this one should have the name the same with this, and this should have the same name with that. I run. So see, now we have browse in January is called rock, it will show here rock, or we can change it pop, say pop. If we say this one is classic, the change is classic. Why it changed over here? See, inside my browse JSP file, I put this one. This one will show the variable I get from the controller. See, I get the January here because the model add attribute. The January name here is the name of the variable. I copy this, put into the browse, and put into the braces and $sign in front, and we're good to go. The same with details. Detail is mean the files over here is the ID of the album. I will do the same with the January name, but it's not exactly the same with this. Same technique. We have to put this in front of the model, right? Okay. Comma. Instead of the January, I have to put the album ID, right? Album ID require false, and the ID always is integer. Change this to album ID. Sorry, I always put the same name, but you know that, right? You can change it different. And I have to say model dot add attribute, and inside that attribute we have to get the same names, put here, and the same name with this. I put it here, and comma, I mean semicolon. Alright, is running, is building. Let's see, instead of browse, oh, one more step. Inside of browse, we have to copy album ID first. Go to browse details, right? You have to put $sign, open brackets, put variable name self, and view. Alright, go back here. Instead of the browse, we have to put detail. We have details here, right? And if we want, we have to put question mark. Album ID is the name of the variable, right? Equal to 2. We show detail 2 right here. Or we can put we change a little bit over here, details, and like this, album ID is self, and refresh. You see room ID is 2. We can change it 5. Enter is 5. Ta-da! Alright, hopefully you guys follow what I'm doing. And one more thing, we for those thing over here, you see, because we have to go back here later, and we have to know what the purpose of each method. So we have to comment what we are doing, right? So for the comment, to let us know or refresh our mind, or let some people after developer after us to follow and understand what we are doing. So for the comment, forward slash and start and enter. I see, fun, right? So, and let's see, double star is okay. One star is for command the group of command. For the double star, for we use to command the method in front of method. We always do that. It will for the details of whatever we have inside our method. Right here we say return. This we have return, and parameter is the model. Say we have this one, we use the map root of store page, right? And this one we map the detail page, right? So command start and enter. Say it will create everything for you. Whoa, happy map details page. Enter for map details page itself. Nothing changed, but you know, you see it's different. Right now we know which what the purpose of this, and what the purpose of this, and what purpose of this. Alright, hopefully you guys understand the concept how we create controllers. Controllers is used to is the middle guy, is talk with the view and the model. If we want something, go to model. If some information, go to models and get it, and detail it and put into the view. Right now we don't have any information. We don't need any information from the models. Right here we just map the page. What do we want? Store index, details, and browse. Alright, see you later. Thank you.